Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. So today I have another quick and easy recipe for you guys. It's a local favorite side dish, tarkari, and it's made with our favorite fruit in Trinidad and Tobago, mango. Can you guess what it is? It's mango anchar, guys. Now anchar is basically an aromatic blend of spices that we toast and we grind up, right? And we add to different vegetables as well as fruits. So today's recipe was actually taught to me by my boyfriend's grandmother, and we call her Mama. So she taught me this recipe and now I'm passing it on to you guys. I just tweaked it a little bit, but Mama, I hope this is up to your standard. So let's begin. So typically we'll already have these spices blend up in a pack. You can just buy in the grocery store. But today we're going to toast our spices and blend it ourselves. Right, so I have my pan here on medium heat and we're going to toast our spices. So I have here some black peppercorns and coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, mustard seed. I have a mixture here of fennel seeds and jeera. So now we're going to keep it on medium heat and we want it to toast and not to burn, right? And so all the natural oils while it's toasting is going to come out of the seeds, and that's what we want. And your house is going to just be filled with this lovely aroma. Right guys, so we have our toasted spices and in here smells divine. So now we're going to put it in our mortar and pestle. So now I'm going to grind it up, and as you're grinding, again, it's going to release all that natural oils and you're going to smell it and it's going to be incredible. Right, so we almost want to grind this up to try and get a powder form. Alright guys, so this looks just about right and it smells so amazing, better than any pack. Right, so now I'm going to sieve out the mango, we're going to put it to boil and then we'll come back to the mix here. Alright, so I just added the mango and I'm going to add some black pepper and salt. Next, I'm adding some shado benny and sugar. Now, I know a lot of people are not accustomed to do it this way, but this is the way Mama showed me, and trust me, you guys are going to love it. The shado benny is going to flavor the mango, and the sugar is just going to give it that right amount of sweetness that we need, right? And I'm using our brand cuisine, brown sugar, right? So I'm just putting just a little bit, enough to sweeten it, but not to overpour it. Right, so that looks good. And I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to cover this. In about 15 minutes, we'll check it back just until it's nice and soft and tender. Alright, so our mango has boiled perfectly. Right, I'm just going to take a fork and show you guys. That's so easy. It's going straight through. Right, so this is perfect. Now it's going to come together so beautifully and really, really quickly. I have a pot here on medium heat again. And I'm going to add the cuisine soybean oil. So just like me, Mama believes that you can start any great dish off with onion and garlic. So that's what she taught me. I have onion here. Right, and what I did is that I diced it really finely. We don't want when you're biting a piece of mango, you're gonna get a big chunk of onion or garlic. Nobody wants that, right? So I just have my onion and my garlic here. And I'm gonna allow this to sweat and caramelize. Right, so we have this wonderful caramelization happening. Next, we're gonna add that lovely, lovely aromatic spice mixture that we made earlier. Right, so I'm just adding this in. And it's basically like we're gonna cook it, but not for long, just about 2 minutes, right? So next goes in our seasoned mango. Alright, we're gonna give that a mix. Again, we're going back in with the cuisine brown sugar, just to balance it out. And we're ending it off with salt and black pepper. Just give it a nice mix, make sure everything is fully coated. And guys, it's that simple.